This medium-sized symmetrical knot is the St. Andrew knot number 17 in the top 50 knots. Start by putting our voice tie over your neck with the blade or wide end on the right. Flip the tie so the seam is facing out. Adjust the blade to be about 4 inches longer than your right hand. Create the neck loop by crossing the blade under the tail to the left. Notice the left cross for later. Then bring the blade in front of the tail, then behind the tail. Form the centerpiece by taking the blade down through the neck loop to the right. Notice the right cross. Create the front loop by taking the blade in front of the knot. Finish the knot by going up through the neck loop and then down through the front loop. Tighten with your thumb by pulling up and down the other hand on the blade. Cinch the knot by holding the tail and pushing the knot up to your collar. Secure the tail through the keeper loop. Voila! A perfectly tied St. Andrew knot. It's named after Andrew, one of Jesus Christ's apostles, likely because it crosses to the left and then it crosses to the right. In terms of size, it's the Goldilocks of knots. It falls right between the Half Windsor and the Double Windsor, just right to steal the show. The knot is self-releasing. Simply pull on the tail and it will untie with ease. Although this knot isn't the most popular, it is great for the connoisseur or for fans of St. Andrew. A knot with a holy backstory. Perfect for church if you ask me. What do you think of this knot? I'll be hanging out in the comments, interested to know. Did you know you can elevate a suit without a necktie by folding a pocket square with this video here? If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. As always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.